Good morning, students. Welcome to Silverwell's Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss the important topic direct indirect speech. Students, direct speech describes when something is being reported exactly as it was, usually in between a pair of inverted commas. So, how can you identify? By seeing inverted comma, you can identify this is direct speech. Then, what is indirect speech? Indirect speech will still share the same information, but instead of expressing someone's comments or speech by directly repeating them, it involves reporting or describing what was said. Student, I will explain you this thing by one example. सपोज मैं क्लास में आता हूँ और स्कूल चालू है, सपोज एक इमेजिन करो, और आपको वो एक टॉपिक पढ़ाने के बाद, सपोज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है, वो पढ़ाने के बाद कुछ एक्सरसाइज का होमवर्क देता हूँ और बोलता हूँ आपको कि स्टूडेंट्स कल आपको ये होमवर्क लेके आना है। अदरवाइज मैं सिर्फ इतना ही बोलूँगा कि कल आप ये होमवर्क करके आना। अब मैंने तो क्लास में बोल दिया, मैं मेरा नाम नहीं बताऊँगा और सिर्फ इतना ही, मैं कल होमवर्क लेके आना है, मेरी बात ख़त्म हो गई। अगर कोई आपका कोई फ्रेंड उस दिन एब्सेंट रहा है तो वो होमवर्क आपको उसको बताना है, तो आप कैसे बताओगे? वो ऐसे तो बोलोगे नहीं कल होमवर्क लेके आना, पर ऐसे बताओगे कि सर ने हमको होमवर्क लाने को बोला है। बराबर। तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं, सपोज मैंने तो आपको क्लास में बता दिया, वही मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप दूसरे आपके कोई फ्रेंड को दे रहे हो, पर मीनिंग एक रहेगा, पर बोलने का जो तरीका है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। मैंने तो सिर्फ इतना ही बताया कि कल होमवर्क लेके आना, पर आप बताओगे सर ने बोला है कि कल होमवर्क लेके आना। तो ये जो है, आप नए जो इंडिकेशन डालोगे, मतलब कि बोलने वाले का नाम, सुनने वाले का नाम, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, वो सारी चीज़ें आप उसमें डालोगे जब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करोगे तब। अब ये चीज़ आप वन बाय वन समझते हैं, मैंने तो सिर्फ एक थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी थी, इसी से आपको पता चले। रूल्स के साथ अब समझते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। सी, ही सेड आई एम प्लेइंग। सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? ही सेड दैट ही वॉज प्लेइंग। ओके, सो the information is same, but in first sentence you can see he said I am playing, that's all. But if another one wants to say, to express this thing, by which way he can express, he has to use pronoun, connectives, and that this thing can be expressed. He said that he was playing. Okay, so by this way you can turn direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, after some examples, I will give you some rules and regulations regarding it. Second sentence, thus you see, she said, I am painting. Now, if another one who is saying about this thing, by which way he or she can express? She said that she was painting. Okay, so there are some changes you notice. Okay, the changes. Next sentence, he said, I did this exercise last night. But in indirect speech, by which way it can be written? He said that he had done that exercise the previous night. Okay, this is the same information in both sentences, but the way of presentation is different. Okay, in first sentence, which is direct speech, okay, the information is written in inverted comma, while changing into indirect speech, okay, inverted commas are removed. We'll see. The inspector said, I am glad to be with you today. The inspector said that he was glad to be with me that day. So, student, what changes did you notice? Okay, we have seen. Okay, some examples. So, while converting direct speech into indirect speech, what you have to do, there are some rules. Omission of commas. Okay, so you have to remove the comma. Use of that if sentence is assertive. Already we have seen assertive sentence now. So if assertive sentence is there, you have to put that as a connective. Then change of pronoun. Okay, you have to change the pronoun. A speaker's word can be reported in two ways, as I told. Okay, स्पीकर के जो भी वर्ड है ये दो तरीके से एक्सप्रेस किए जाते हैं. जैसे मैं आपको सीधा बता दूँ कि कल होमवर्क लेके आना. ओके, और वही बात अगर मैं दूसरी बार बोलता हूँ तो वही बोलूँगा कल होमवर्क लेके आना. वो सिर्फ डायरेक्ट स्पीच है. पर आपका कोई फ्रेंड घर पे रहा है और आप उसको बता रहे हो तो बताओगे कि भाई सर ने बोला है कि कल आप होमवर्क लेके आना. इन्फॉर्मेशन सेम है पर जो बताने का तरीका है दिस इज डिफरेंस. सो सी अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. अ स्पीकर्स वर्ड कैन बी रिपोर्टेड इन टू वेज. डायरेक्ट स्पीच, एग्जैक्ट वर्ड ऑफ स्पीकर. द टीचर सेड टू राजेश, यू हैव अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर. ओके. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, what the speaker has said without using exact word. Okay, so the teacher told Rajesh that he had a bright future. So see the first sentence, who is speaker? Teacher. Okay, and to whom he has spoken? To Rajesh. So over here what you have to do, you have to put first speaker then RV. It is a reporting verb. If said to is there, you have to put told. Okay, then listener. Who is listener over here? Rajesh. Then connectives, that, as we have seen. And remaining, he had a bright future. So he, okay, is used for Rajesh. So the teacher told Rajesh that he had a bright future. Now change of tenses. Okay, what you have to do? Okay, you have to remove the commas. You have to put that if assertive sentence is there for as a connectives. Okay, then you have to change the tense also. I am giving some example. If the reporting verb in the direct speech statement is in present tense or future tense, then it remains same in indirect speech too. No change in tense. Student, keep this in your mind. Make sure about this thing. If reporting verb in the direct speech, okay, statement in present tense. Okay, if reporting verb is in a present tense or future tense, okay, then it remains same. कोई change होगा नहीं in direct speech. See the example. My friends say, okay, my friends say he is very handsome. Okay, so as you can understand, say is a V1. My friends say, we have not done any change over here. My friends say that he is very handsome, and we haven't done any changes in tense also. Okay, after he is in direct speech, and the same thing is also used in indirect. Okay, he is very handsome. Over here we have also written he is a very handsome. Okay, if your RV, it means reporting verb in future, then there will be no change. My granny will say, you need to eat well. So indirect, see, my granny will say that you need to eat well. So if uh, this kind of sentence will be given to you, okay, you supposed to do not make any change. Okay, yes, you have to put that as a connectives. Okay, you can see the both sentences. Now see, next, if the reporting verb is in past tense in the direct speech statement, then the verb within the inverted commas will undergo corresponding changes in the direct speech statement. It means simple present becomes simple past. Okay, see, again, simple present becomes simple past, but when your reporting verb, okay, is past, the girl said is a past tense. Okay, in previous slide we have seen only say, otherwise says, so which is present, so we have not done any changes, okay, in the tense, but over here tense will be changed. Simple present becomes simple past. The girl said the flower is pretty. Now you can see the girl said that. Okay, that we have put connectives. The flower was. Okay, we have changed is into was. Okay, flower was pretty. So again I am reminding you, okay, your reporting verb in let's say past, okay, so you have to change, but after seeing, okay, the sentence is in simple present, then it will be converted into simple past. हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ बेटा कि अगर सेड दिया हो या टोल्ड दिया हो और जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में जो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है उसमें प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज किया हो तो आप उसको पास्ट में चेंज कर देना. नाउ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस बिकम्स पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. अगर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस दिया तो उसका आपको इनडायरेक्ट करते टाइम पे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस करना है. द ओल्ड मैन सेड द रेन इज फॉलिंग वेरी हैवीली. ओके, सेड, सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड पास्ट. द ओल्ड मैन सेड दैट द रेन वॉज. ओके, वी हैव पुट वॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ इज. द रेन वॉज फॉलिंग वेरी हैवीली. I hope students you are getting. There are some rules about the tenses. Present perfect, if it will be in direct, okay, you have to turn the sentence into past perfect. Okay, so if present perfect is in a direct speech, while converting into indirect you have to turn into past perfect. See, the principal said all the students have passed. Okay, have plus v3 already we have learned in tenses. So while making indirect, the principal said that all the students had passed. Okay, we have put had instead of have. Okay, if in direct speech simple past is given, you have to turn it into past perfect. See the example. Rohan said Sital arrived yesterday. In direct speech, Rohan said that Sital had arrived the previous day. Okay, so arrived is a v2, you have to convert into past perfect. It means had plus v3. Then if models have been given, so what you supposed to do? Models changes into their past form. Okay, see, direct, he said she can dance. Indirect, he said that she could dance. Okay, can is converted into could, otherwise we have put could instead of can. Now student, SON formula. Personal pronoun changes according to first person subject, second person object, third person no changes. This is called SON formula. If subject of the quoted words in first person, then it will change according to the subject of the reported verb. Example, he said to me, first person I, he said to me, I like coffee. Okay, this is direct speech. Now how it can become indirect? He, speaker, said to is equal to told. He told, then that, connectives. Again he, okay, instead of I we have put he. He told that he liked coffee. मतलब यहाँ क्या होता है? He said to me, उसने मुझे बोला मुझे कॉफ़ी अच्छी लगती है। पर ये चीज़ मैं किसी और को बताऊंगा, ऐसा बताऊंगा मुझे कॉफ़ी अच्छी लगती है? वो तो उसने बोला है। तो मैं कैसे बताऊंगा कि उसने ऐसा बोला कि उसको कॉफ़ी अच्छी लगती है? तो he told that he liked coffee. Okay, first person subject. Now if subject of the quoted word is in second person, then it will changes according to the object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb, make sure. He said to me, you look happy. Then indirect, he told that I looked happy. थोड़ा हिंदी में समझते हैं. He said to me, उसने मुझे बोला. ओके, यू लुक हैप्पी, बराबर. तो उसने मुझे तू अच्छा लगता है. पर अगर यही बात मैं किसी और को बताऊंगा तो कैसे बताऊंगा कि उसने बोला है कि मैं अच्छा लगता हूं? तो यू की जगह पे हमने क्या यूज किया? आई. ओके, दिस इज द रूल ऑफ चेंज ऑफ द प्रोनाउन. He said to me, you look happy. While converting into indirect, he told that I looked happy. Third one, if the subject of quoted words in third person, then there will be no change. Okay, if there will be third person. Okay, in first sentence we have seen first person, you is second, and then third person, as you know, he, she, it, they. Example, he said to me, she has already left. Okay, so indirect, he told that she had already left. Okay, so there is no change in pronoun she and she. Okay, we have not done any changes. Okay, now next student, subject first person, I said, inverted comma, I want to consult my parents. Suppose by which way we can turn into indirect? I said that, okay, I wanted to consult my parents. Okay, want is simple present tense, which is turned into past tense, simple past tense. Now second, you said, I want to consult my parents. So by which way we can convert into indirect? You said that you wanted to consult your parents. Okay, we have put your instead of my. Okay, then next, she said, I want to consult my parents. She said that she wanted to consult her parents. my की जगह पे her आया. तो यहाँ मतलब कि सी सेड आई वॉन्ट टू कंसल्ट माई पेरेंट. ओके, कोई सी उसने बोला है कि मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स से कंसल्ट करूँगा. पर वही बात अगर कोई दूसरा बोलता है तो क्या बताएगा कि उसने ऐसा बोला है कि वो उसके पेरेंट्स को कंसल्ट करना चाहती है. सो दैट्स अ थिंग. ओके, वेयर वी हैव टू चेंज द प्रोनाउन, यू हैव टू कीप द थिंग इन आवर माइंड. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू मीनिंग यू हैव टू make some changes. Then object second person, Anil said to me, your parents are waiting for you. Okay, your and you both are second person. Anil told me that my parents were waiting for me. तो अनिल अगर मुझे आके बोलेगा कि भाई तेरे पेरेंट्स तेरी वेट कर रहे हैं, पर वही बात मैं किसी और को बताऊंगा तो कैसे बताऊंगा कि अनिल ने मुझे बोला है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स, इसलिए मैंने माई यार रखा। ओके, अनिल ने बोला है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरी वेट कर रहे हैं। अंडरस्टूड? अनिल सेड टू यू योर पेरेंट्स आर वेटिंग फॉर यू। अनिल टोल्ड यू दैट योर पेरेंट्स वर वेटिंग फॉर यू। ओके, नेक्स्ट, अनिल सेड टू हिम, अनिल ने किसी और को बोला, थर्ड पर्सन। अनिल सेड टू हिम योर पेरेंट्स आर वेटिंग फॉर यू। अनिल टोल्ड हिम, ये तो वही रखा, दैट कनेक्टिव्स। अब योर की जगह पे हम हिज रखते हैं कि उसके मीनिंग में जा रहा है। अनिल टोल्ड हिम दैट हिज पेरेंट्स वर वेटिंग फॉर हिम। सो देयर आर सम चेंजेस. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind. Now third person, no change. Okay, I said to you he should be trusted. So I is speaker, told reporting verb, you listener. Okay, that connective he, we have not done any changes over here. I told you that he should be trusted. Then next, she said, there is no listener over here, she is looking for a job. So she said that she was looking for a job. We have only done change in tenses. Okay, and as we have discussed, reporting verb in past. Okay, so you have to put change into the information which is given in a inverted comma. Okay, so she said she is looking for a job. So she said that she was, we have put was instead of is. Okay, and for pronoun she is in direct as well as the same is in indirect also. We have not make any change. So that is why third person, so there is no change. Now change of adverbs. Okay, some word will be in your sentences, so you have to make changes over here according to the words. See, change in adverb of time and place. Okay, if your direct sentence, okay, there is this, then you have to turn into that. If today is given, while converting in direct, you have to turn today into that day. If this given, then you have to change into those. Now, then, here, there, tomorrow, the following, or next day. Any of the thing you can write. Yesterday, the previous day, the day before, tonight, that night. Okay, so by this way you can turn direct speech into indirect. But see, these words are given in direct, these today, these now, here, tomorrow, yesterday, tonight. While converting indirect, you have to make some changes, that day, those, then, there, the following or next day, the previous day, the day before, that night. Okay, so you have to make some changes according the requirement. Okay, change of adverbs. Okay, we will see with the sentences. He said, I shall discuss this matter next week. Okay, adverb C. He said that he would, okay, discuss that matter the following week. Okay, so we have done changes over here. This, okay, instead of this we have put that. Okay, and we have also make change over here. Instead of next, we have put following week. Okay, following. So changes of adverb. Then next, she said, we shifted to this house 2 weeks ago. So indirect, she said that they had shifted to that house 2 weeks before. Okay, so we have put that instead of this, and also before instead of ago.